guys, this is so weird because I literally haven't filmed anything in 3 weeks, but now I'm back to filming with my brand new camera, which is so exciting. But anyway, today's video is going to be so awesome because today I'm going to be doing a Depop haul. And if you don't know what the app Depop is, basically you can buy other people's clothes and they sell them to you, and you list like whether it's new or used or just worn once. Like you can list all of the stuff about the clothes, which is super helpful, and then the sellers will sell you the clothes for their own individual prices. They choose what they sell it for, and then you buy it and then they ship it to you. And it's really cool because you can find so many amazing clothes, like I don't know, like designer clothes even, for such low prices, especially if they've been worn before. Like maybe they're only worn once and you can get it for such a low price, which is so awesome because, you know, who doesn't like some cheap clothes? I know I do. Anyway, so I'm gonna be going into the clothing haul really soon, but you might notice something really fun is that I cut my hair. It's so short now. Oh my god. I don't know if you noticed before, but it was like really long, probably like down to here before at least. You can't tell as much right now because it's up in braids, which is what I usually like to do for our videos. I like to put it up or put it back in some way because my hair is super curly and will just get in the way if I decide to leave it down. If you want to see a picture though of my hair down and curly and cut and everything, make sure to go follow us on Instagram, and the handle is @kira.and.olivia. Another thing, make sure to go like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into the Depop haul. Alright, so I have all of these packages right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 in total. This one's the biggest. I guess I'll start from like the smallest to the biggest. I totally forget like what's in each of them, by the way. Yeah, I don't know what's in this. But let's start with the smallest one. Oh, it's so cute. This is so cute. It has a little Brandy Melville smiley face sticker on it, which is so cute. Natalie Tomo, thank you so much for this package if you ever somehow end up watching this video. So cute! Oh my god, it's so cute. They gave me stickers too. Okay, so if you can't tell, it's wrapped in this black string. I'm not gonna cut the string, I'll just take it off. So this is the string. It was packaged like this. So I have this adorable Brandy Melville smiley face silver sticker, and this is perfect because I have been needing stickers because I'm gonna be doing my computer with stickers at some point. Oh, this is so cute. Chill since 1983. This is such an adorable sticker. The next sticker is this Malibu sticker, and then the next sticker is this Los Angeles, California 1984 sticker. This is the last sticker and it says business as usual. I guess it's just like a duck thing. Okay, refocus. Okay, so these are all the adorable stickers. Thank you so much, Natalie, for sending me these. I really appreciate it with this package. And for the clothing item, so the item that I ordered were these Brandy Melville ruffle shorts. Okay, so that was the first item, and overall I really liked it. It was stretched out a little bit, so I might end up sewing it, but either way, thank you so much, Natalie, for sending me that. I'm gonna put this package to the side and move on to the next item. So the next item is from Cloud Tide, and I think I might know what this is, but I'm not sure. So I'm gonna open it up, see what's inside. I didn't see the item at first. This is so cute. Oh my god, it's so cute. I'm obsessed. Okay, so if you can't tell what this is a pink tie-dyed tank top, cropped of course. So I am going to try this on. You know what? I think that it is perfect. It goes well with my necklace too. Okay, so that was the pink cropped tie-dye tank top. I really like it. Pink is one of my favorite colors and I absolutely love the shirt. Even though it was a tiny bit small, I'll make do because it's supposed to be cropped anyway. I'm moving on to the next package, and this is from Elise Joseph. I really should be covering the address. I will cover the address. Okay, so these are Brandy Melville shorts. The same ones as the ones I just showed you, but these ones are black, and I have been wanting these so badly. Oh my god. Wow, I'm so impressed with the condition of these, honestly. The condition is so good. Oh my god, they look like almost brand new. Yay! Okay, so I'm gonna put these on and show you guys what they look like. Oh my god, they're so cute. So these are much less stretched out than the other ones. Okay, so I ended up loving these shorts so much. They're less stretched out than the red ones, which was good. I might have to sew the red ones, I'm not really sure yet. But anyway, thank you so much, Elise, for sending me these super cute shorts. I'm so happy with them. So I'm already so excited for the next package. Oh my god, it's so cute. This is the outside of the next package. Yeah, I'll cover my address because please don't come find me. And this is from Jackie, so thank you so much, Jackie, for sending me this. I'm not sure what it is. I don't remember what I ordered, so let's just open it up. I'm so excited for this one. Oh my god. I'm so excited right now. Oh my god. So if you can't tell what this is a pink t-shirt. I forget what model it is. It might have been like the Haley or Helen, one of those two. And it's from Brandy Melville, and it's the rare pink color because they literally, I checked their website like 18 different times trying to find this, like the pink one, because I love the color pink, but I could not find it. So I went on Depop and I'm so happy that I found it. And honestly, it looks so cute, and I'm probably gonna end up wearing this every day because it looks so comfortable and adorable. So I'm gonna try this on for you guys right now. I don't think that happy is the right term to express how excited I am about this shirt right now. I love it so much. Oh my god, I love this shirt. I'm so happy with it. Okay, so honestly, that pink shirt was probably like my favorite item I've gotten so far in this haul. But anyway, I'm gonna continue and move on to the next item. So the next thing that I got, I don't know what this is, but it's by Thrifting by Jess. So thank you so much for sending me this, and let's open it up. Oh, I'm so excited for this one too. Okay, so if you don't know what this is the Brandy Melville Zelly top in blue, and I'm so excited to try this on because I've been wanting this shirt for so long. I don't even think they sell the blue on the website anymore, so I'm so happy that I got this. Okay, so I'm gonna try it on for you guys. Guys, I'm obsessed with this shirt. I love it so much. This might even be better than the pink one I just tried on. Okay, so that was the blue Zelly top, and honestly, I'm so happy with it. It might be dethroning the pink shirt as my favorite, but so far, yes, the blue top and the pink t-shirt are my two favorite items that I have received. But now I'm gonna move on to the next thing, and I think I know what this is, but I'm not sure. And this is from Emily, so thank you so much, Emily, for sending me this. If you ever watch this, just thank you. Cute little thank you note there. This is a skirt, which I'm super excited about because I really don't have a lot of skirts. I'm going to try this on for you guys right now. I really like this skirt. I think it's so cute. Okay guys, so that was the skirt, and overall I'm really happy with it. It was a tiny bit tight, but you know what? It's meant to be high-waisted anyway, so I'm fine with that personally. I didn't like it as much as the other shirts that I had gotten, I guess because I really need shirts and I'm more of a t-shirt and shirt person than a skirt person. But overall, I'm really happy with everything I've gotten so far. That was literally almost everything I got. I have one more thing left. I'm really not sure how long this video is gonna be. It might be only like a few minutes, but you know what, it's fine. I have one more item. This item I've been looking forward to so much. I've been trying to find this everywhere, and I'm so glad I found it. It's from Sydney, so thank you so much, Sydney, for sending me this, and let's open it up. Okay. Look at these. If you can't tell what this is, these are the Rosa sweatpants from Brandy Melville, but they're in the bubblegum pink color. I'm so happy I was able to find them on Depop, so thank you so much, Sydney, for sending me them, and let's try them on. I think that they're so cute. Yeah, these are so soft and so comfortable, and I'm so happy with this purchase. Okay guys, so that is all of the clothing. Overall, I really liked everything I got. I'm so happy with everything the sellers sent me. So thank you so much to all of the sellers for sending me all of these awesome clothes. I decided at the end that I'm probably not keeping those maroon Brandy Melville shorts, which was like the first thing I tried on, I think, just because they were pretty stretched out and they didn't fit me that well, and I probably wouldn't end up wearing them. So I don't really know what I'm gonna do with them, but I'm probably not keeping them. One more time showing you guys everything I got. It's not going to be in order, but this tank top from Cloud Tide, this pink one, the black Brandy Melville shorts, the pink t-shirt. I got a lot of pink stuff. this pink sweatpants from Brandy Melville, the blue shirt from Brandy Melville, and the black skirt from Princess Polly. So thank you so much to all of the sellers. I really just love these clothes so much, and I'll definitely be shopping on Depop again. It's totally worth it. You get awesome clothes like this for such a small amount of money compared to what they would normally be. I guess I'm just gonna end this video here because there's nothing else to say really. Yeah, make sure to follow our Instagram, and that's at kira.and.olivia, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much to everyone who has been supporting us so much recently. We love reading all of your super sweet comments. It really means a lot to us that you continue to like all of our videos and comment. We love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! You think you know him, but